In today's video, we are going to be talking about the gold eagle to silver eagle ratio. This one's going to be very interesting because a lot of times when people talk about the gold to silver ratio, they're talking about how many ounces of silver can be bought for the same money that you could use to buy 1 ounce of gold on the COMEX. In other words, at spot price. So when we look at the spot gold price today, and that's as I record this, I know it will be different when you're watching it back, but currently spot gold is $1,737 an ounce. And spot silver is $20.86 an ounce. And what I have in front of us is a physical representation of the actual gold to silver ratio, that number right now being 83 to 1. In other words, the same money that you would need to buy one ounce of gold on the COMEX could buy you 83 ounces of silver on the COMEX. That is a huge difference if you look at it in a physical form. And we are going to show you how different these numbers look when you factor in the insanely high premiums of gold and silver eagles. Now, I know when it comes to talking about the gold and silver eagle premiums, it's like I'm beating a dead horse, and I do apologize for that, but I think it's important to show you guys physically how those numbers look separately on the desk. So we will actually take away the amount of silver we need to remove to make those numbers look like how it would look if you bought silver and gold eagles. Now, one other thing we're going to do is we are also going to call a coin shop. This isn't a coin shop call video, but we are going to call one local coin shop that has given me good numbers in the past when I've called them, and we are going to see how much they would buy our 1 ounce gold eagle for. Then we're going to see how much they're selling their silver eagles for, and we will use those numbers to determine how many ounces of silver eagles you could get for one ounce gold eagle if I were to walk into that coin shop and sell them. So I think we have an interesting video lined up for us today, but really quick before we get into it, don't forget, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, we are almost to 100,000 subscribers, and this giveaway chest is overflowing. Every single thing, including what just fell there, we are giving away to our awesome subscribers as soon as we hit 100,000, and we are almost there. We have over 30 ounces of silver, we have gold and more in this chest, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And here's another way you could win some silver from our sponsor, SD Bullion. Did you know that right now SD Bullion is giving away an entire sealed monster box of 2022 silver eagles? Yes, you heard that right. That is 500 ounces of 1 ounce silver eagles. They are giving them away right now. If you would like your chance to win, make sure you head to sdbullion.com/silverseeker or click the link in the description below. And thank you to SD Bullion for sponsoring today's video. So like I said at the beginning of the video, right in front of us, we have the gold to silver ratio of 83 to 1. These are 83 1 ounce silver eagles, 1 ounce gold eagle. If we were, and this is where it's really eye-opening, it's kind of mind-blowing even, if we were to use premiums to do this math, let's say we would take how much it costs to buy one ounce gold eagle and use that same money to buy silver eagles. How many silver eagles could we get? Well, I did some research, and it looks like the average premium on online retailers right now for gold eagles is about $245 over spot. You get them a little bit cheaper some places, a little bit more other places. The average is $245. Now, I updated just a couple of weeks ago my premium tracker for silver eagles and silver rounds, and the average premium, and by the way, if you want to see that premium tracker, I'll put a link in the description, but right now the average premium, at least of about a week and a half ago when I updated that sheet, was $17.77 over spot for 1 ounce silver eagle. So based on today's spot prices, that would mean to get a 1 ounce gold eagle, it would be an average of $1,982. To get a silver eagle, it would be an average of $38.63. So if we were to take the amount of money we would need to go out and buy 1 ounce gold eagle with that average premium, this is how many silver eagles we'd be able to get for that same money. We'd have to take all of this silver away. This is way over 20 ounces. In fact, the gold eagle to silver eagle ratio, in other words, how many silver eagles you can get for the price of 1 gold eagle, is only 51 to 1. And that is what we have here on the board. We lost a lot of silver because of those premiums. Now, if we were to use the gold, just flat gold spot price to silver eagle ratio, we would have to take away even more. And we would just be left with 45 to 1. In other words, if you were to take gold spot of 1,737 and use that to buy physical silver eagles in today's high premium market, that's all you'd get. That's all you would get. All of these silver eagles right here, and these two as well, you would not get any of them. Whereas if you were able to get this at spot, I'm not saying you should be able to get it at spot, but if you were able to get these, for the COMEX price though, you would get this much more. All these are gone. So that just kind of physically shows you how insanely high the premiums are right now on Silver Eagles. They are crazy. And the Gold Eagle premiums are not a slouch either. At an average premium of $245, at today's spot price, that is 14%. But the average spot price, or I'm sorry, the average premium of Silver Eagles at $17.77, that is a percentage premium of 85.18% at today's current spot price. That is absolutely crazy. You are paying almost double, and I've said this in other videos, but right now you are paying almost double spot for a Silver Eagle. Now, there are places out there that have specials and deals where you can get them cheaper, say $13.99 or $14.99 over spot, but that doesn't change the fact that your average premium is $17.77, and there are plenty of places right now that are selling these things for $20 over spot or more. That is just crazy. So that just kind of gives you an idea of what that looks like. All right, so let's do the last thing we said we'd do. We're going to call a coin shop. We are going to see just one. This is not a coin shop call video, but I would love to get just a one shop on the phone, one that's given me good numbers in the past when I've called them before, see what they would pay me for my 1 ounce Gold Eagle and what they would sell me 1 ounce Silver Eagles for, and then we can do the math and see how many Silver Eagles we could go buy if we were to go sell them a 1 ounce Gold Eagle. Let's get them on the phone. All right, so like I said, I've talked to this coin shop in the past, but let's call them and see what they will buy our Gold Eagle for, and then see what we can get with that Gold Eagle's money to buy Silver Eagles. Let's get them on the phone. Yeah, do you guys buy the 1 ounce Gold Eagles? I have a 2022.
Yes, we do.
What do you pay today?
Right now, we're paying $1,839.
$1,839. So I was thinking about like buying Silver Eagles instead. Do you guys have those for sale?
Yes, we do.
All right, and could you tell me what those go for? I'd be looking for 2022s, but if you don't have them, I'll take anything.
They're 36 for the 22s.
Okay. And then
and 35 for the other ones, just random years.
Gotcha. So I'd have to pay 36 and then 35. Okay. All right. Let me think about that. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, so we heard what he said. Gold Eagles right now, they are paying $1,839 for. That is $99 over spot. I just did the math before we started recording this part of the video. And they're selling Silver Eagles for, if you buy any date Silver Eagles, for $35. That is 14 an ounce over spot. If you buy 2022 Silver Eagles, it's 36. That is 15 an ounce over spot. That is actually a pretty good premium given where the online retailers are sitting right now. So kudos to that local coin shop. I did the math. If we were to sell them our Gold Eagle and buy Silver Eagles with that money, we would be able to get 51 2022s or 52 random dates. This is your physical representation of the gold to silver ratio if you were to sell your Gold Eagle and then buy Silver Eagles with that money. So how much does that leave on the board? It leaves all of that on the board. That is how much silver is missing if you could just make those trades at spot price. Now, I will say that there will be people arguing that you can sell Silver Eagles for overspot as well, and I don't disagree, but just think about looking at this. If you just are wanting to get as much silver as you can get into your stack, it doesn't look like Silver Eagles are the way to go, and I've been saying that for a long time. I haven't bought Silver Eagles in quite some time. In fact, all of these Silver Eagles, last time I bought any was like February, so I've had these at least since February. I haven't bought a single one since then. I've bought other silver. I've bought rounds. I've bought bars. I bought some semi-numies and all sorts of other things, but not Silver Eagles. The premiums are just too high. But let me know what you think. Guys, in the comments down below, let me know what you think. And then I'm going to post a video up above me where I called around coin shops and tried to sell them $10,000 worth of gold. Listen to what they said. That video is a little over a month old, but if you haven't seen it yet, it's pretty awesome. Check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time.